In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Facebook profile into professional mode. Some people find it difficult to do, but in this video today, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more awesome videos. Okay, so I have to log into my Facebook account right now. Alright, you can see my Facebook account right here, so I'm gonna click on my profile. Okay, then you see these three dots here, these three dots. Click on these three dots. You can see turn on professional mode, so click on this. Alright, it says turn on professional mode, add new tools to your profile so you can grow as a creator on Facebook, get paid for your content. So I'm gonna turn it on right now. Okay, I'll click on turn on. It's loading right now. Yeah, I have done that now. Now let me go back to my profile and refresh this account. You can see it says welcome to professional mode. All right, now let me click on this see dashboard. Let's see right here, welcome to professional mode, physical, get started. I'll click on get started. Can you see now? So this is how to turn on professional mode on your Facebook account. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and don't forget to smash on the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.